Hello guys, we receive a new device here. Uh, this is Macbook Pro model A1502. So now we will check if it's like charging. I think it is charging. Guys, I think it is not powering on. I will try to turn on. Yeah, it is not turning on, guys. So what we have to do now is like we will open the device and we will check what happened. The customer did not know also if it's like he spilled something liquid or anything. He dropped the device, but he did not say anything. He don't know also. So we will open the device and check what's the problem. So guys, as usual, we will be using the pentalobe number 5 screwdriver. So guys, as you can see, there is a trace of liquid spill. But it is not on the motherboard. So in the situation like this, first thing you have to do is just remove the battery. We will remove the battery and we will try to turn the device on. We will just clean a little bit of dust. So it is not turning on still. So next we will be removing the motherboard and we will check maybe backside there's a liquid spill. Guys, this is the backside of the motherboard. this is the front side. I did not see anything suspicious parts yet, but and also I did not see liquid spill. So the next step we will do is we will check it under the microscope. To find any parts that are damaged. So now guys, after searching for the problem under the microscope, I saw a little part here that surely it is a liquid spill, and there are a lot of components that have corrosion. So I'll show you under the microscope, and that what it looks like, guys. There are some resistors and capacitors that are have corrosions on the pins. So if they are damaged, we need to replace it. But as I've told you many times, Apple parts cannot be easily damaged. So I think it can be clean up, then we will try again to turn on the device. But if you clean the parts or the pins of the parts, you should be sure to check also the lost connection. Maybe it was lost one pin, or so just resolder it. So what we are going to do now is like we will check for lost connections and clean the corrosions on the pins, or maybe replace the parts if it's like damaged. Guys, if you are unsure what you see, like you don't know what circuit that was that have the liquid spill, so you should check this number of the motherboard and check on the board view. As you can see, guys, this is the board, and we found the liquid spill here on this resistor and capacitor. So I need to know what IC that was. This is the U7100. So the function of this IC is a charging IC. So yeah, we saw the corrosion here. So that parts we will be focusing on cleaning and or checking for lost contact or replacing it. As you can see guys, after cleaning, it's not that bad, you know. I think the parts are not damaged. We just have to make sure it is like connected. So second step, we will be checking loose connection. As you can see guys, there's this parts that is not connected to the circuit, so surely that was the problem. Guys, we have to replace the resistor. I tried to connect the pins, but it is really damaged. I just put a jumper on it because I know that was like a fusible resistor, so we can make a jumper, but don't do it on another circuit. If you don't know what's the value of the capacity of the resistor, then don't do any jumper. It will damage the board and it will damage the IC also. So this resistor, I know what's the value of it, and so I am safe to make a jumper. Now we will so guys, now we will just put the power source in it, and yeah, now guys, as you can see, it is turning on. So in this model A1502, when you put the charger, it will automatic turn on. So before, when we put the charger, the fan is like not turning on, you know, it's not turning on. But now, as you can see, the fan is turning on. So now we will put the board back to the device and check everything. Now guys, moment of truth, we will check if it is working. I did not put all the screws yet. We'll just check if it's like working fine. That's the best thing you can hear after you fix something. Keyboard is working. Battery is still 0%, but it is charging fine. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please support me. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated if I have new videos upload. Then I hope I shared little knowledge for you, and guys, that's it, and God bless us all.